If you experience excessive hair shedding, your hair is constantly breaking off, or if you want to grow your hair, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end.
Please, Lord, give me a sign. I want to be the greatest.
For this hairspray, we will make use of dried hibiscus. Hibiscus has vitamins A and C. It strengthens the hair from the root, which prevents it from hair breakages. It also promotes hair growth. The next ingredient is dried rosemary. There have been a lot of research about this powerful herb called rosemary, and it is just amazing for the hair. The last ingredient is cloves. Clove is a very popular herb when it comes to hair remedies. Cloves has eugenol that nourish, strengthen and revive dormant hair follicles. It also promotes hair growth. The next step is to add hot water to the herbs, like how herbal teas are normally made. The reason we are using hot water and not cold water is we want the nutrients to be released right away, but you can add cold water and allow it to sit for 24 hours if you don't intend on using this hairspray right away. Now we cover it and allow it to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see it has really darkened. That means the nutrients has been released enough into the water. But you can allow it to sit for longer if you want the color to be a lot deeper and richer. After it has cooled down, we will strain it because we only need the water, we don't need the herbs anymore. So I use this fine mesh strainer to separate the water from the herbs. After straining, you can transfer it into your spray bottle and use it as a hair rinse after you shampoo and condition your hair. Or you can apply it to your hair every 2 days and follow it up with your oils and hair butters to prevent it from drying out your hair. You can store it in the fridge for about a week, then you get rid of it if it doesn't get finished. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair remedies. See you in the next video.